Mrs. Fatima Madabio.
We encourage now, let all man sit down. We don't want to let people let smart. If you don't get seats, just go right at the back or you take the other side. Here, we want to let all man sit down. They can start the program immediately. We just want to remind, we all say the program they live on TV.
Do you let me sit down, I beg?
Okay, we now the call on the chief imam for the district for the Muslim prayers. The town imam. Alhaji Famudia Tabe. Well, we invite district chaplain there around for giving the Christian prayer. Mori Dola. Christian prayer, please.
Mori Dola.
Good afternoon to everyone.
We're only able to have so one side. You have a family on side, so they cover people. No, but so is this podium?
Make a lead in this Christian prayer. Daddy God in heaven, I want to thank you for what you don't make impossible for we for gather here this afternoon for this opening event. I want to pray that you guide and protect we all in this meeting. Daddy God in heaven, I want to thank you for where you give me the God-fearing President Bill, when a very good leader for this country. I want to pray that you guide and protect him. Father, I want to pray for international recognition for we leader President Bill, so that he will get more support for lead this country, for we country in develop one. Father, I want to pray that you guide and protect all supporters of SLPP, so that the badat and the division within the party, you will touch with all hearts, so that we will get a peaceful Sierra Leone. Father, I want to pray that unity prevails in all political parties in this country, so that we country will develop. Father, I want to pray that we president in plan for this country in develop one. We all support them so that this country will develop. With all I mentioned and the other one we are left behind, Father, I want to ask that you accept and support all. In Jesus' name we pray. The Lord's Prayer together. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us, and lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, Mr. Moridola. We now call on Mr. Bemba Fadika for leading the Muslim prayers, please.
Jama'a assalamu alaikum. Rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Though my very short prayer at the key, the wonderful, noble, well experienced, charming, crunchy, handsome president to be for 4th term in this country. With una blessing and compassion, I will first of all ask God, now that Atimam said, let God make Yenny, charming, crunchy, beautiful, so sweet. So I don't know how to turn you, man. I don't know how to turn you. Let God join you in this world and next world, and all you family will surround you. Now another, I just ask, let God, my God, gather, protect in cabinet, and all SFP supporters from grassroots come up. All the one that will surround them. Now yeah, but let God gather all. So dear, this is a long one. Me, I love the party, I love me, I love everybody in the party. When I go take a long, take one party, I go and make love, watch him up. Watch him up. The more we team up, the more the blessing go oversee them. Fatia, we will take 2 Fatia. One for with excellency, the party. The other one for we all, the one die, who take that God protect and guard me. Fatia seal. Fatia Jara. A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanirrahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdina siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina
Yeah, no clap for him. No clap for Mr. Bemba Fadika. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Let me sit down. Hello. I want to call on somebody very special.
We want them to be a bit quiet as they continue the program.
I want to call on Dr. S.S. Banya Pwawi for Kangiwi, the reason why we're there today. In English, they call it Declaration of Purpose. Dr. Sama Siama Pwawi Banya.
One country,
One people.
one country,
One people.
one people, SLPP. None of the people there. Okay. Chairman, National Chairman, District Chairman, All people that were there will know say una all belong to SLPP. Welcome una. We dey here for a purpose, but not happen overnight. Na long journey. The journey began long time ago. Way back in 1947, Governor dey protected assembly. He said they give with people the majority in the legislative council. That called for courts and mammy courts and everything from we brother in the colony. We not civilized. We don't dey in contact with man for only 50 years. Then not dey for 150 years. Then petition. Then go to the Queen. To the Queen. That not satisfy them. Then Alma Magai Grab said he want BNP na the colony. No member of legislative council. So all of this confusion we don't come through. The chief them and the well, the DC then try to discourage them. This party Dr. Magai and several of them are involved in. Then one Bureau Monday, he go talk now Oxford, they call and say, one angels, they can't give address. Before all full. When they go, they're sitting at Black Fan. Now, Boku Waka come out. Now, change the name from angels to Lamina Sanko. And now the one Roman that way doing other course, other mammy course, other fed, it taking party, it go to Dr. Magai, we form waiting now today now Serious People's Party. Wekaland district. The whole thing began some drama. When 1951 came for the first election, Dr. Magai they go around and chief, they try to persuade them. They said, then wait man say, now social chief now they send a legislative council. They are election of the people there. So now he say, I got one man about the streets. He say, don't change the preacher, no. He doesn't get government position, now he don't retire. He said, do ya? I want my board the street to vote from. I want a little paramount chief, but can't go by. Now he said, Dr. Magai, can you give me more quiet ground about that? What grandma I go cover? Gale, now Dr. said, Gala, Eje Momo. Now the chief cargo by say, oh, doctor. He said, Menemola Momo, come Momo, we don't go through all that. And then come 1968, up 67, change of government. We don't know that the entire western area, the Creole family, we brother there, they not be one make we succeed. So APC come to power. Then put all by election petition. So they start for whole by election. They hold on constituency by constituency. So APC then forwarding and call migrant voters. Truckloads of people then from Freetown, then go Garbage the north, or most of the north, then be APC. Then go Kono, the voting take place, Chief Machiri and Iwan Manjama, then go team up and line for vote. What they call them, then 2 thugs appear. They say, hey, look way. Now the chief and Iwan, they just go. When they're not satisfied, they say that they come and Kailan, they stop them. Kailan Trangayes. So they come for county discipline with a Kailan. That time me, at the work for government too, but in Komoken and Makana net, can talk to people there. They come 3 lorry loads. Now more river they stop, more ferry, they not cross. After that, I'm not telling you how, they not cross. Shaka Stevens declare state of emergency. Every decent protected person, from paramount chief to anybody you can think of, all over the country, but especially from Kalan district, then care we all go Mafanta. We all go Mafanta. We come out there stronger than before, you know. We carry on with the party. The by-election will take place, we still return with people there. But we formed this party, the first representative we rather vote for have been Tapri Magobe. Now we first MP in this district. After that, other one follow. But what's how been they meet? There's not been they pass that barrier. That barrier was a been history. Now they were all kind meeting. Now they count all their votes. Then one mommy there, even they work for God. Now been go to the man. He left down there, he can't sit down for man, we get 3 other way. Now he can't say where they call the vote, he stop him. When I've been chairman for Electoral Commission, he stop and say then they hang it. 3 days from Wednesday to Sunday, total silence. Now he come the put notice say, then they count. Any place where the voting pass 100%, then they cancel them. Till this day tomorrow, till this day they free town. Till this day where every time I write now, people are the challenger. Produce the figures. It's a Kaila overvote. Kaila and Godbarry overvote. Now the purpose that of that Kaila and Godbarry, it's a all we voted and invalidate all. So we lost the 2007 election. You know that's all that 2012 come. One young man come, a story long ago. We don't know. He say one be flag bearer. We all prospective candidate. Now your man sit down, they look at the counter, they look me. He tear to pieces. Hold on. The man not say nothing, we just come out. He just say, Doctor, here. Now I talk to the man, I say, Solo, what do you think say APC go do now? You don't do all the job. You don't undress this young man. But the young man not say nothing. We go vote, and then win the election, he not left the party. As we all, my younger brother left the party with a lot of people. So 2012, we all decided, now they put us back. We put our back and they called the vote. The same and me will have God, go marry a man will get 3 well. He declared the result. He declared the results and next week. The young man said, no, you know, it's not fair. Then God people, sometimes they're not afraid, they say, we're not God people. Then grab a meter, here for unity, for this and that, and what. None of them, none of them do the same thing where, and then APC refuse to recognize me. Then go there, persuade them, or sell them. It run. But all way they do this, we see them meet and Kalan Godbarry, we see them meet and people until the land leaders, beginning with September, Kai, then they come to John Benjamin, then come to Dr. Gebab with their rent house, Namasanta, for district party office. It did a vocation like this, we don't know how it would be for manage them. But today, we're glad because one young man grab, and said, no, this is not going to do with one your own teaching. Then or do them come out blower. Say no, let's do something worthy of Kailam. Let's do something worthy of Kailam, Godbarry. So, the cut long story short, Sir Jusu, Nabo Kaikai, Choki, and others, they all come together and set up by party office. God is grand, struggle, all man, everybody, no one out. We all eat, we there today. You can't what you there for oppose this edifice, this strong party, this nice party, so that where would they say Kala Godbarry and they say in a subsidiary but we get party office. So now that bring with them somebody else the polarization. So God thank you. Oh there. We pray for prayer all that are done for great education. So that I may bring you there. May God bless you all.
One country, one people. We want to tell Pwawi Banya, thank you very much for that brief history of the SLPP in Kaila district and why we're there. At this point, before we call on the person who can introduce the chairman of this event, this wonderful event today, this historic event, I just want to again for tell una thank you for where una don't help we for manage this program from where we start today and to this point. We don't roll the candle now. Me and Cyrus Sharif and
Me and Mrs. Jemba Maki Aziz Kamara.
We want for Telling Atenki. At this point, we they call Mr. Ibrahim Dean, aka Jocks, for can introduce the chairman of this historic ceremony this afternoon, the official opening of the Kailam District Party Office.
And Jocks, not an ordinary person, are one of the strongest organizers of this program. So, Jocks Telopuri, aka Patelopuri, here you go.
So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. We are all London for this afternoon. Thank you.
I feel flattered. Thank you very much, Cyrus and Maki. My role here is a difficult one, but a very short one. His Excellency, sir, retired Brigadier Julius Maada Bio, Her Excellency, Madam Fatima Bio, our Chief Minister, Ministers of Government, Ambassadors, Mayors and Chairpersons here present, government authorities, paramount chiefs, our traditional rulers, members of the Fourth Estate, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My role here, I feel honored and privileged to introduce our chairman for today's occasion. Our chairman is someone who hails from Kailaung. He attended the Roman Catholic Primary School in Koendu. Upon graduation, he left Kailaung for Kenema. I have been instructed to speak Creole. Our chairman for this occasion, na possibly na Kailaung ya born na Koendu. He attended the Roman Catholic Primary School in Koendu. Then later, when they say the wise men and come from the east, they go to the only university, when at the government secondary school, Kenema, now they go secondary school. But because Naposi were very studious and very intelligent, they passed with distinction. And of course, we sister school, when we on to them, the Bull School, they automatically enroll at them for those sixth form. This while now the Bull School gets a tradition where you know they go there, you be prefect. If not today, you begin from Form 1 to Form 5. But this chairman, I break that record there. When you go na the Bull School, they make a prefect. Then of course, after when he graduates at the Bull School, he later go na Frobe College. While in Frobe College, also in the history of Frobe College, one day they not actually make somebody student union leader where na on oppose go. This will chairman not be even present, na be any back. Neither make a student union leader na Frobe College. Na possibly, of course, when you take the mic, we're going to say na eloquent speaker. But before he actually reach Usaki Deso now, I mean the lecture at the University of Illinois, where in the United States. But na possibly contribution is immense to the party business and even to Williams School alumni. But not a school talk, I can't talk anyway. However, I need to mention all of what the things that we know about and we don't do. When he left University of Illinois, the Kanaya, it starts for at this campaign, Ibn Ami, the campaign chairman for the present new direction. Then of course, after we win election, then appoint him as Foreign Affairs Minister. He did there for quite a while. He left there, he go UN. Now UN there until recently when they appoint him as ambassador. I have the singular honor and privilege to introduce to you Dr. Ali Sajan Kaba.
one country, one people. His Excellency, President Julius Maada Bio, Her Excellency, Madam Fatima Bio, our national chairman, leaders of our party here today, honorable ministers, chiefs, brothers and sisters, all protocols observed. Me and the chairman for this great occasion, I don't know if I see people in Kailaon decide for call me for. You know, when you listen to Uyun Dean, we are Dr. Banya, the man we are resident historian, we will tell you how far we don't come as a party. You no need for add more. We are a party, we don't always come in for make this country better. That is a fact. And anytime we give power to the other one there, like you take we backward. We know that too. Na fact. Na fact no more for sale. And for good reason, what you make, we need for believe in a new direction. And this party today don't show say all parts of this country matter. And Kailaon district, we know say na the vote basket. Anytime they call election result, as they say no more na Kailaon results left, who can declare victory before they count. Not to show. Now the Kailaon magic that. And I may happen 2018, not to show. Now Kailaon send the signal to we say, we don't get a president now, we get for make this country better. We get for give hope to all man. We say every district matter, every constituency matter. Not to say one person come on no more. And we don't see that in a Kailaon, not to show. We don't see all the evidence. I mean, now he can just come on and I go all the way going to Mr. President, it take me 30 minutes to. So I salute you, sir, for that. And not be tin a road. I just want for sure to say, this particular event, we get for send signal, not just nationally, but globally. And I've been on the out yonder. The fact of the matter is that if ordinary people then come together, like how we don't do now, so in Kailaon district, it shows say we believe in our party and we believe in democracy. And another message they will need for that the world understand. And the world don't understand that. Because President Bio don't send a clear message, say this new direction, now first of all, about human dignity. And the world don't understand, so we focus on human capital development, and because we believe so need for cut out poverty. And so the respect again at the global stage today, now the result of leadership, not a magical. Big ideas then can start with one person. And then like today, we will come on at this district to join hand together for build this particular structure. Again, because of leadership example. So Mr. President, this is now one more structure we'll put together because of you. So I just want to make sure on behalf of Kailaon, but thank you so much for your inspiration and the way you don't guide we since we come into governance. So this program not get for really long. I get for make sure they go through. And so today I get for step out of the way so that we will listen to Bakuma and they will get talk for Giwi. And on that note, I want to start the program. I call on now our national chairman. The real bullet. The real bullet too. Because I know her. That's right. So the national chairman of our party, we've been there with we, there with the president, we'll go across the country for make sure so we'll give people a reason for win the election. And he don't still there with we for make sure so we'll transform our party with a real new constitution where I believe they get for guide work for decades to come. Mr. Chairman, you get the floor, sir.
Well, the real bullet in me not part-time bullet. We know the me not bullet. One country, one people. Ndoya bundaya, ndoya bundaya. Otim. Afuminyi. Atofinyi. Una thank you. The undisputed national leader of the SLPP, His Excellency, the active brigadier in politics, Commander-in-Chief of all the forces in this country, the fountain, honor, all the good things about Sierra Leone, Julius Mada Wuni Bio. The most functional first lady will not get reverse gear. Number one. Number two, Her Excellency, the Fatima, the Madam Bio, Her Excellency. Choki, District Chairman of Kalam, Kanja Sise, the Mandate Chief of Sierra Leone, of all the Mandingos in this country. I've got the other dignitaries there within the park. The chairman Pabanya, I worked with him about 3 years. Now they teach me. Now one of the chairman I work with 6 chairmen in this party before I raise my head. And then teach me. I'm glad I will talk to the party. You have stayed loyal to the party and you have worked for the party. God will bless you, and I'm quite sure you will go to heaven for being loyal to this party. Dignitaries, ministers, supporters, observers, APC, Kombosa, Vunodokanaya, you are all welcome. Today, this day, like how the effervescent chairman talk, Ali Kaba. Now the beginning of the celebration of the next election, who don't win. Now the beginning of the celebration of the next election, who don't win, would matter the undisputed sole presidential candidate and president thereafter. Anybody who wants doubt that they may go ask Jarama will get the answer. But now we're in control. I talk down there because today the whole nation there within the SFPP. I create the indulgence. Karina Unadea, Kwenyadugu Unadea, Koloko Unadea, Gambia Unadea, Boy District Unadea. Do I the come for Kawash? Kenima Unadea. Kono Unasef Unadepit Unadea. Bo Unadea. Pushum Unadea. Moyamba Unadea. The one that will come overseas, Bond Unadea. They go to the western area. Yeah, now the mixture. Now we call in chemistry admixture, heterogeneous mixture. Yeah, now homogeneous mixture. That is not Kailam. Kailam, una get una business, una there. Ana yemi to una there. No, the maize have it. Ana yemi una. Bombali, Obinka crew, una there. Tonko Lili, Tonko Bele, una there. Kwenadugu, I will not reach there, una there. Falaba, una there far, I don't know from one post the same camp. Una there. Western Rural there, Freetown, Western Urban Central District. All over this country. Now I make a talk say today, this not just come for open. We just come for the beginning of the celebration of with victory. Where we don't already get. Let APC know that they say we don't win this election. Ampo, so at the big them moment and beer. Me address, I just want to talk few as chairman, the most lucky chairman in the world. I've been always been associated with winning, not with losing. And secondly, I get a leader, we're under your umbrella, we don't set record. We beat APC for the first time in the ballot box. And this one I say, we're going to beat them again, double ballot box. If you can't buy physicality, we'll do it again. You know, APC, in that language, you will talk and understand. Any continue again, send a message. Also, I tell them, say, today, not with that pack, I buy SAPPO, wait today when they slap you with that, Betwa, Bena, Bewe, Nabi Mahagan, not the party, so now we know the fact, but we defend ourselves under the legal constitution and within the laws of Sierra Leone. So, may the beer this one, where the power win, the beer again the other one, where the pass until we win again, we go beer again until the pass until we go tire. Because I don't change a winning ticket. Then the remaining will tell you lie. We go Guinea, that by day, you know see where the function, you don't go to time. No, so you go to this other place. Ivory Coast, no, so they third time, they enjoy it, no, so and democracy, politics, na virus. So it can spread. That democracy will also na Guinea and Ivory Coast, it don't become pandemic. So we are welcoming the pandemic democracy. We not get no medicine for them. And we don't want medicine. This pandemic here, we want time. One country. Anyway, we can't have to celebrate the leadership quality of Mother Bill today. I'm happy I can compare. I'm talking genuinely, Mina Bullet, I say the truth. This kind of meetings, till we don't begin get. You know, even in our agenda. Yeah? You know, in our agenda. Now the country no more will remember. Don't forget who host. But Mother's leadership and his own contribution, this bill here, I know how much ESSL contribute. Eh? In chemistry, you get forgot, in nucleus, forget aggregates around that. Because it was the nucleus, let me able to attract all funding, all side. We not do the consolidated fund, no money there, where they contribute. The person is the same thing. If APC when they wait for a fair inquiry per week, we don't tell like we go thief. We're not a thief, but we get the way how they operate. We're not coming near the government money. One country. So today we come for can celebrate the leadership quality of this span. But finally, now may I talk about Kailan. Kailan, you have been very, very steadfast with the SLPP. You have also been very steadfast with the APC for reject them. The Bible they tell about 2 months ago we come for can't terrorize now. Mr. Abit small by the primary school, you hear about that. Take will not see the motor car, will not see the people there. But whatever do, each year after this commission of query, for put out the commission of query again. We'll find out what will happen. But as I say, Kailan district, you as the party say, the chairman say, you have been the voter basket of this party. But at the same time, you have also produced independent candidates. Lord talk true. One man say, if you listen to you, your wife in Pini, he say, I will not go born picking. No, not listen, just one. So now that Pini today, now I don't listen to that Pini. Not also. It would get in the moon. Una try now come together. Una really, this is important as chairman of this party. I know all the bad man there. I know all the actors and the actresses. I know the babu there. I know the monkey there. I know the gorilla and the way they come for can eat. I'm telling you the truth. Kailan will benefit more if we come together. very, very important. The Gomez and the Banyas, now when I say people, nobody take out from now. When I come together, and the leadership also, when I come together and support the one they want to put forward, like Jockey. Jockey is a very bad good boy. But for this party here, we are another supporter. And this house will not be, we are no give out on our whole string, make the party executive exercise, really control, but with your monitoring, those that have done it. Although both of Thanksgiving come, I got to say thanks H.E. and the wife na Kaila and Komot. Yesterday, say Komot again at Shegbema. I don't know again Komot Freetown. Kunkuna say I say he Komode. And no, Kono say she done there. Anyway, this kind of welfare who will get no, it kind of in the world. Thank you, my Stephen Father, for giving this kind of wife. When they here with brother. Now 2 poles attack, 2 unlike poles in politics, 9 days old. Then unlike with the attack. When they do that in London, that make we safe. When the power next per man like me, you know, say me say I can misfire I want to. Po. One country, one misfire, they are long to run. They talk to the past, say, my father presiding. Now say it, but he like you, he genuine. Nobody know like I know pass the wife, and you know that. So I tell them thank you for where they stabilize the path for we. Because I tell the past it today, now me and one who can go sam, but not go sam out of balance. But because now so we are leader, now so they happen. But we love you, and we like to say to this public that we love him. He's the best leader God has ever given anybody. A kind of power, president twice. Now what am I done? If you fashion at God, he die. Lord. But I'm going to give my hand. It's a but I'll be angry. Get over, man. I'm going to give my hand. It's a because we are getting goods. So finally, Kalam District, this is a wonderful day for all of us. Not only you, but we'll share this glory, historic glory. As chairman, I don't benefit greatly because the picture there by this document was I was chairman who will make this thing. And I say thanks to all of you. Everyone there where they at the cupboard, the other come today. Jack Lansana and others are the senior Naya. The former IG or deputy IG, because more boy Lengo the other Naya. I see them, so Yamane, Brigadier, I don't begin forget self. Yes, the other there. And the other people in that place, this is what SF is about. Celebrate, come together. We can disagree, but in the end we agree to solve our problems. There is no other party that can lead this country to sustain prosperity. That is different than prosperity alone. Sustain prosperity. So I thank you very much for this day. I thank you, and I'm always happy to continue to represent you as chairman of this party. One country, one people. Don't hear? Don't hear? Afumi, Atofi, Momo, gracias. Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman. Now it gives me the singular honor to invite our regional chair, the vice chair of our party from this great region, considered as the Lion of the East, my good comrade, Philip Tondene.
Adidas Kaila Executive Constituency Manabio Your Excellency, Madam First Lady, Cabinet Ministers present, party stakeholders, you're all welcome. We in Eastern region, specifically Kaila, we do it different way. And there have been a lot of cracks along the critical path. It'll be easy. We rented self for the old home they get before. It's difficult. All elections since I joined the regional executive in 2010, I cannot call Barry Udola. Till 2013, when I became the full regional chair of this region and this district, I tell His Excellency thank you, and in leadership and in cabinet. Now by pass will be the use. 2-3 motoka don't call now we are now. Again, Kailan people back. What if you say this power for the project will go for the no service? That project forget that project will not achieve it. Till 2024, when they make the power back, another president. One country. Now, at the drive on Shegbema Road, first will come with the branch. That branch for Kaisai Kailan, sometimes you take you all day, or you must go the left day. They will work at Kaisai Kailan for conduct election or among other things. But I'm glad for the Kailan SPP more especially, we brother they say when they're in the civil service, with time they become more political. And with results. People like Turkey, now we regional YG, they all lost when we district chairman become paramount chief. We make her with the approval of the general membership, we make her an acting district chair, now a substantive district chair under the leadership. Now we don't know what level elections. Kailan I don't make her happy because we do the Kailan way and we do at district level. Kono we see it at sectional level. Kenema we see it at zonal level. But come the 29th, we will resolve that. But I want, before I continue, with due respect to the chair and His Excellency and Her Excellency, I wonder they talk here and they feel the absence of 1 or 2, 3 people. One, Honorable Tabasan. Aziz, we are very good organizing secretary. Then, with all due respect to Your Excellency, I want to now observe a minister. For all the lies they hold on us between Kailan and SPP. May their souls rest in perfect peace. One thing about party leadership or party membership, you go for below. You don't have idea. The one thing I find out about Kailan is equal to SPP. There's no two way about it. I enjoy my leadership. Kailan district not giving much headache, like Kenema district, Kono district. It means I'm going to push it. Otherwise, we don't forget power for the Kono, we don't forget power for the Kenema. With the support of some key people that are talking there, for the Musa, now the paramount chief, we decide to stay there Kenema, because Kenema felt not be easy. But today, I'm happy. Kenema will be there about for build another party office, but within the SPP fed, we go to the police. They lost some of remember them, that in the Corona and with the AIG. Honorable, what we I see the leadership of Kailan district, land. Then finally, Sajusu say, again land. This is how this one, Sajusu Kilo Klafora. So we're able to say to that, with the leadership of Kailan, be the local cultural leaders, traditional leaders, all the Mamide, the young man, they all agree they start this project. And this project is a family project. Even with annual conference, I go to talk to me, chairman and leader. No, chairman. Then when I say chairman and leader, then are you and the leader. No, never mind, we don't plan for all the annual convention above, but at the appeal to the leadership, they think about the next convention, now Kailam. Now appeal and the appeal. We get the space. So once again, Agladi as the regional chair for South, the 3 district for the last 7 years, and still I'm the regional chair, but they go for now national vice chair. And the beach all. I thank you.
One country, one people. But now I call on the national women's leader. Somebody who don't need no introduction. Yes. Let the woman know say we can listen now to the national women's leader. This is Fatima Sawane. Welcome.
One country, una know how me find it. One country, one people. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Sierra Leone, the retired but not tired Brigadier Julius Maada Bio, Her Excellency, the most beautiful First Lady and the youngest, Madam Fatima Jabi Bio, government ministers, deputy ministers, parastatals, head of NDAs, members of parliament, and the membership of SLPP entirely, from the zone to the national level. Good afternoon. I know they say much, my boss don't say a lot, but I just want to say leadership is by example. Kailaun have taken the lead, and I think all the other 16 districts should follow, because this is a good example. Then don't set on a very good stage. So I've been done tell Sajuso and Abu Kaikai say would they import them for slow down with the East since they are come Konokene Makailaun. What we done? They will go to the other districts, they all forget the same thing, because this is not a good leadership. And I want to say thank you to Kailaun District and all other SLPP members who donate for make sure say we are where we are today. SLPP will always take the lead, and we are better when we are leading, both in governance and in opposition. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you. You see, it get to the time of now the one good thing butter. Now we get to go to the district. The man will clear the bush. We make sure say by the time we ready for turn the sword now for build this structure, and the president come in town for do that, he mobilize all the man, all the young man there. And no part of this district, no, the Ogo say they no Sabiamo. And the man this way, no, for bulldozing way, we say some tell them red, King Kami. Chucky, you have the floor, district chairman.
One country, one people. Kailaun Hoye, Kailaun Hoye. President Bio, President Bio, President Bio, President Bio. Thank you.
That's the rebel leader.
Excellency, President of Republic of Sierra Leone, Dr. Julius Maada Bio, and leader of the Sierra Leone People's Party. The leader, the only leader of the Sierra Leone People's Party. And Excellency, Her Excellency, my mother, Fatima Jabi Maada Bio, the only wife, cabinet ministers, national chairman, Koli district chairman, all protocols observed. Today is a very big day for the people of Kailaun. You know, when you don't go to primary school,
Igola Secondary School, Igola University, the day of graduation, we want to take this day today for say, Kailan, that today we graduate from university. And by God in power, President when the leader, again for give we our Naira today. Based on performance. Based on performance. The president is a leader of the party, is the excellency of the republic, and they give award to cabinet minister whether they prove well in governance, and also again for watch, we don't say Kalam, we will get we all award today. Kalam, thank you. I don't get much for say, because when you happy, your business no will go long. But I get short story where I just want to lament on her. Kailan, we really bless. And President Bill, it don't show say na Kailan a born. And this born where born Kailan, the count national chairman be the top. And we use one word. Where he say Kailan, we know the mixed matter. Although the one by Akama could I just say it's all about independent, we don't read that day. We got for correct mistake there now. But how these things come across? President we always start campaign to win a Kailan. For this leadership today, if we get difficult challenge with us. If we get difficult challenge with us. Not everybody, but the leadership them by them. We get for say the fact. Me we at Tinabia as young generation, we believe in the grassroots. Me na the regional, me na the constituency young generation leader. I was the only delegate. 2011. Say, Papa Madabio. You for the president of this nation, we believe in you. We will not allow any joker to move you. Now this is not the spirit today we get, now the whole nation. And President Bill, now Montama where a good enough sababu. So that's time where we take as a grassroots. We don't be one that we say but we the grassroots we say we be know waiting we be believe Vienna. The first district chairman will begin when president begin campaign to win. Now me on biological oku. It talk one talk, and me bad talk no fine. He said Madam he said now over with their body he go be president. And he died before man and the top president. Me on biological oku German. So beaucoup people they talk that day. Let God sorry for them today. Look, this kind of good service we get. I want to appreciate all the one where they don't come on at various districts because today now party business they talk about. Let's start for appreciate the national chairman. He talk one thing if this project complete. Now under you say you chairmanship, now we consider you. And then in the history now, he don't do so well, thank you. Although he said joking a good boy and a bad boy. But that is politics. I want to recognize the newly elected regional chairman for West Southern region. Alhaji Kanya Sise. A man who say Kailan for go on a darkness. This man, over 1 week we celebrate the day when we receive the 90th poll. And we government and talk and do. We can declare a town contractor then I had the signed contract. So APC promotion have been saying a lie. When the day when they poll they come, all the SFPU that will mobilize, we go receive them, we count them. So the example don't begin set. So regional chairman, welcome, thank you. And also the other elephant from the north, Abu, the regional chairman from the north. We want to appreciate you. Welcome. All colleague district chairmen. My comrade, Mr. Abdul, the district chairman Abdul, from the north. Welcome. This is not the chairman this way. He go on 3 elections. He also win also. So welcome. You are my best friend. Thank you so much for the courage you get. Kelema, Chairman Abba, and all the other chairmen who are present now. Resident Minister South. Hey, the hero. Congratulations for taking a district office. Because you are one of the all executive on the district secretary, then today you are district chairman. We don't say one Nakaya today, now assignment, and when we return our various districts, the assignment they go for work well. Hating the president, Kalam people will continue for grateful to you. They come. But this kind of greatness all they get today as a district and a strong party, the party stronghold, we don't want to get up. I can remember during Pakaba in time, Kalam district became finance minister. Kalam district became also somebody who be there before NRA. One of the leaders say, when they give positions, and us, when they already tell you say, their brother and sister, the one that give them those positions, now them for deliver. But during that time, and then the one that be representing the district, they don't work for the district. But one for appreciating government, and they appointed them. We don't get finance minister, but the finance accept to all get it do for we. Let's find it first. And all the other appointment them, when it did, you know, as a chairman for this district, I really get something for talk about them. Just 2 minutes now, I will run on. Because if we are here today, we are here for celebrate for Kailam. We want to appreciate you, Hechi, for all the opportunity where you give. We will not be able to call their name one by one. But one thing where you need bring a Kailam and unity, because me as a chairman, all the while when they're in position, overnight say where I call them, then they respond to me call. And when they always come together, let me put a succeed for 2 days here. When the local election come, confusion be there all over, but Kailam was peaceful, and this is the only district chairman who went on a post. So that's a very good record for me, and we want all our districts and compete with. But the last but not the least, you know, in politics, we get some people there, then land, they can work now any government. But we stay for doing the party, and at the party we believe in. When the war done, Professor Sesmo Kakai, the government Dr. Bayan be the top. He was the first district chairman for Kalam district. Now Kalam got Balu with the whole party meeting. A war professor. When he commanded Professor gave out, now also take up. Yeah? When he commanded all the past people that were not come, double masters profession. Choking when they say that illiterate, they don't deliver today. I never say it. And I say it because this is politics. And one thing I respect President Bray. President Bray, he believes in the illiterates and way that they suffer and ignorance of the party. Thank you so much, President. The doctor and profession, they get their own role for pay. But you get all the people that also, they don't give where God give them. You get for respect that gift. This talking way they talk to them. Now they support candidate and when they become governor of this place, member of parliament, but they move on and win, they don't look low upon and say, this is a chairman, 1.5 years don't deliver a party office who hating the president in the camp commission. I because of the president. President beyond a person who is grateful. The president beyond not be grateful. They can't sacrifice what some of you don't do. But let this power come. When you talk, you are even proper. Now me initiator, I don't want to talk about that, but today at the top. I know everyone else, but president encourage me, and the next you know, he call me, and they do the service for one. So that they give me motivation for go ahead. I know that everyone know whether I'm minister or any other. The grassroots all they do politics. They will continue for drum. They will not be fear. They will believe in the leadership of Malabie. One thing when we learn in President Bio over the 10 years of the past, it said there will be a law-abiding people. It said there will become there will be somebody who for be content. You therefore become a content somebody. And again, you for be focused. So that three things that I learned from the president, now they implement where the push Kailan present. So that's why I thank you.
So forgive all the time for like talk. Shoki, now give another round of applause, yeah? Shoki, thank you so much. Yeah, this is SLPP business. So now I call on Honorable Sati Banya for come say some few words to we, yeah? Oh brother, Honorable, welcome back.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman, Your Excellency, retired Brigadier Julius Madabio, Her Excellency, the Mami for Salon, government ministers, colleague MPs, leader of government business, council chairpersons, councillors, and also constituency executive, especially constituency 004. From them, me, I want to tell God thank you. We dey tell God thank you because this na a political history where just few people where they get this kind dream for we district today, some of we they come and celebrate her. Me chairman just like I been dey say, I hold high respect for him. And me, I want to tell her, say, me not ungrateful to her. Because when he support me from the Gobe family, me na Banya family, even during the election of the district chairman, I mean nominator, and me go continue for respect her. Now that's one na Kailan, and then examples I want to see. Your Excellency, with this kind of thing, where with people, with pioneers them, people like Sajusu, Madam Nabukaikai, Honorable, Brother Choki, Dr. Banya, and people of Kaida, because most of them are the appointees of this government, they all don't but when the foundation, Your Excellency, we've been working here almost the whole night. People from Gilma, Bauma, you sabi them places them, Boabu Gao, Boabu, Kailan Township, the young people there, women them, we all be there. Me when told cement bag and hay and the mixed mortar, we make sure say we flood this place here. So this because we believe say we in a constituency 004, now we are the host. And at the end of the day, now for Kailan district, but we more get access to the office. So now if we put on under this sort of things, and I will remain for be very much grateful to me, constituency of 004. Just like how we said, there was a time few months back, the Kailan district MPs, SLPP MPs, there was a time you called in a lodge. I want to assure you say that meeting will be held with you. Good consultation, the advice we give to we, between we and the executive, between we and Mr. Jusudem. I want to tell you say they work well, although areas that they will still get for the improve on them. But when we listen to them, good advices them, they blow mind, they will blow mind give one another. We don't do on corrective measures and
There is nothing when the district executive they do when not they consult with the MPs because that one of the grievances then that's what we get. Even like this, we know say that a structure be made for this office in business. They're not able to involve with all, but they say me that the host MP, let I can talk on behalf of my colleagues. And we and them equally from the initial start, we also be contribute financially and physically with the come and inspect the place. Let go be rest assured over that. Let me also come to one other important point, sir. Because this I'll try to talk about the party structure. Now I come to you, sir. We in this district, we want to be very, very much grateful to you. Because now within your regime, where we don't able get female cadet officers in this district, me constituency 004, I get 4 female cadet officers with attributes, whether through her excellency and advocacy, where we get them, that did not ever happen in the history of Kaila. When we come to the area of recruitment in the police force, look some of the young boys then today, when they be home within the time of operation, they tell them go Pandemba. Today, then where you be from them, there are people like Veron, Colabon and others. Then they are with the feel good. And when they in Kailan, then they offer effective services. There was a tension be 1 month on this COVID issue. Then this is then they put in front. They say now people there. Then man, when they approach the crowd, then they talk to people about peace. That inspires more young people for come on board for join the police or the military. We don't know say we get good and sober young people then when they're ready for help this country. Besides that, just last weekend we see I want to tell we Minister of Energy, the deputy become, we don't come, the police said they see the examples. And Your Excellency, Kailan district, one thing very unique about we. When you look at the towns that will get the chief of headquarters, it looks like some district headquarters in this country. That one, if you want to find out. And Luawa now, let's tell you about Luawa. Giona section and headquarters town. They get about 16 villages. Luawa young gets, you don't see the junior secondary school. Now, out of the young people that contribute, they make that upgrade the junior secondary school. They get what's at that place. But we want to tell you, Energy Minister, Gion, they also need a mini grid solar light. Then ready for paying subscriptions on monthly basis. Luawa Bauma don't also emulate the same thing. Right now, they start at home now, Luawa Bauma. We don't start the foundation work. The other day, me in our office, we talk about thing there, and you be saying the help. Do you go for top pay you before you go? Gemu, Gema also, and Gwabugao, who said they ask for Salim Yomawa. They say get junior secondary school, but they need a bigger structure. And then make exams and they never do well, extremely well. We need bigger structure at them places. And that ministers of energy, them places and so on they call now bigger towns then. When you look at some areas where they don't get their solar mini grids then, when you look at them places, they're supposed to get their kind in there. Do ya and they beg you? Let we beg them people then get life because if the president they talk about human capital development, we want them picking them, let them they study at home. Let them they study. Then the people that also for they do some economic activities then. And they really appeal to you, sir. Then places and then make them get their life then.